Welcome to our Natural Health series. Today, we are exploring a simple yet potent remedy to boost your immunity and keep infections at bay. In today's fast-paced world, our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins and stressors. This can weaken our immune system, making us vulnerable to infections. But nature has an answer. Introducing the dynamic duo, Jaggery and lime juice. This powerful combination boosts immunity, fights infections, aids digestion, purifies blood, rich in antioxidants, and ward off diseases like chickenpox. So, how do you make it? Simply mix 5 grams of organic jaggery, gur, freshly squeezed lime juice. Stir well and consume daily.